Hi, this is Joby Goerges with Magnum Research Fieldcraft, and today we'll be taking down our Bushingless 1911. First step is to remove the magazine and make sure the chamber is clear. Step 2, release the slide catch and move the slide forward to reveal the slide catch takedown notch, and we remove the slide catch. Then we take our takedown tool and insert it into the hole that's located on the guide rod, slowly releasing the slide to engage with the takedown tool, which we can then slide the slide off of the frame. Next up, we'll remove the recoil assembly just by sliding it rearward, and that completes the disassembly. To put it all back together, we do those steps in reverse. Take your recoil assembly, insert it into the slide, and then we put it back onto the frame, moving it rearward to engage the takedown tool. We remove the takedown tool, and then we can align our slide catch with the slide catch notch in the slide and put the whole assembly back together. And just to make sure everything is put back together, give your slide a couple cycles to make sure everything moves smoothly. This has been Magnum Research Fieldcraft. If you have any other questions about our Magnum Research 1911s or any other Magnum products, please visit magnumresearch.com.